These are the Plant Lovers webcam covers, and this is perfect for webcams as well as your phone too. This is just in case there's prying eyes looking through the camera, and it's just a little bit more safe. Or say you're at a web meeting and you have to get up, then you can just slide it over. Let me show you a close-up of what it looks like. Here's a close-up of what it looks like, and it's very easy to take out, and then you can just snap it back into place. And this is what it looks like. All you have to do is take off the adhesive, and then it works. And then you can easily slide it over just like that to close your camera port. Okay, so I have a webcam and it's right here, and I'm going to peel this off and then stick it on. And now I can have my camera on, or I could have my camera off. Simple as that. Open, close. Definitely recommend it. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.